Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Oakland Travel, and welcome to the Harmony of the Seas. In May of 2022, we are at the Perfect Day at CocoCay, our second day on the cruise, and we've got some bad weather in the morning. Just one of those things that can't be helped. So it's about 10:30 in the morning here. We're just kind of milling around up on deck. We've already had breakfast, and there's not much to do except almost kind of treat it like a sea day until, you could get off the ship, but the weather was crappy, and we didn't feel like messing with it. We weren't really in a rush to do anything, so we ended up getting off later on, kind of around lunchtime. But at this point, we're just getting ready to walk to the back and kind of check out the perfect day from the upper decks of the Harmony of the Seas. This episode is from one of the many vlogs we upload each week. We also upload shorts and go live every Wednesday night for the cruise and travel discussion. If you enjoy the cruise and travel lifestyle, subscribe to our channel with the notification bell on so you don't miss anything. Plus, you can show your support for the channel by clicking the like button on this video. Probably something, for lunch. Just basic stuff, hamburgers.
There's the machine. I'm gonna get some water.
Perfect day at the CocoCay. Sports court. It shouldn't be. I mean, it's hamburgers and hot dogs.
What is it? Is it just lunch?
I think so. I've never seen it before. It's the constant question. Is the food included or not? Wipes for the win. Please clean the equipment before and after. It's a cool little area. You can sit up here at one of the high tops and look down at the Aqua Theater. Ooh, this could be a good spot for a live stream. Oh yeah. This could be a really good spot for a live stream. Figure out how to get the camera to work there through the glass. There's a private island, CocoCay in the background. Looking down at the Aqua Theater, which is deck 6, I believe. It's your little putt-putt golf course is over here on the right. Basketball court over here on the left. And the zip line comes right across, although it's closed right now. So, down below us on the left, we've got Johnny Rockets. On the right, I believe, is Score. I think is the name of it. And you see right there in the center is where the abyss comes down. So we've got everything shut down. I guess because it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Plus the weather is not exactly perfect. A little cool enclosed area for ping pong. Oh yeah, it's still sprinkling. You can see the water on the ground down here. The weather is not cooperating. That's probably why they have everything shut down. So if you get one of the boardwalk balconies, this would be you. You can sit here and watch the Aqua Theater on the balcony. It would be kind of cool. And up above us are the expensive suites. Little ice cream station back there that doesn't open until 11 a.m., so another hour before people can get ice cream. Straight ahead is, I believe, NCL's private island. See the little lighthouse over there. Yeah, that's, I think it's Stirrup Cay, right?
Where's the lagoon pool? You can't actually see from up here, can you?
Not really. It's kind of
behind the brown top
Yeah. Yeah. Where the balloon is, it's to the left of
To the
that.
left.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah. It's a
Like a
huge.
turn. But I mean, people are out there. I bet there's people on the field.
And you do the. Let's see.
They were out on the jet ski.
Yeah. You do the. You see where the lifeguards are out there? I believe that's where you do the snorkeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. See the red umbrellas? Those are lifeguards. So I think you do the snorkeling right out there.
And then over there is where the Cocoa Beach Club is.
Yeah.
And the little huts that go
Yeah.
out in the water. Yeah.
And then you can't see it from here, but the jet skis are like.
Jet skis are over there.
Yeah, they're kind of on the other side of those
We saw
trees.
them earlier, and they were out.
Yeah, so when you do the jet skis, you don't come on this side. They take you like straight back out that
We had
way.
to like walk across all the sand. You're talking about like difficult sand. This was not packed sand. I was like, hang on, I'll be right there. And it's all the way up.
See, there's a couple of them right there. See them on the right side? Yeah, they're like little mini buses. Yeah, you can see it from back there. Yeah, it's going to be like this for the next couple hours. Not exactly the perfect day at CocoCay.